Hey there and welcome back, guys. In this video we're going to show you how to print your better half. That's right, you've downloaded an STL file which allows you to have some prop cards for your Avada 2, or maybe your Avada 1, or maybe your Neo, and there's just one STL file, but when you print the other one it won't fit because one is the left and the other one's the left. They're basically both the same prop card, but how do you do it so that you can actually have both sides? So in this video we're going to show you how to print your better half so that you can have a left side and a right side. So without any further ado, let's get started. As you can see here, we've got a left and a right. But if you actually, you would think like you could flip it, but it doesn't work that way. It won't fit onto the Avada if they're both basically the same. And I'll actually show you in a second. I'll just grab the Avada so that we can see here. Well, ideally with the Kendono prop cards, which are really nice, you won't have that problem, right? But with this one, I'm just going to close this here. We'll take one off. And as you can see, these are a little tricky to go on, but once they're on, actually they may not fit with the, oh no, they do, with the gimbal screen protector on there. So we'll put it like that, and then put this. Of course, you have to be careful because it's really delicate. This part, will, if you're not, this will actually break. But you need to take off. It won't work with the gimbal protector. But that's one side, right? Now, if we try to take these off, they come off really easily, and these are really good. Now if we do take it off and put it on this way, right? Remember, one is a left and one is a right. And then now, as you can see, it fits. See? Voila. And now let's say, oh, okay, that's great. Let's put the other one on. See? And it works. And why does it work? Is because we mirrored it, okay? And as you can see, the only way to print your better half is to mirror it in Cura. Because no matter what, no matter how, let's say if I print two rights, which you'll see in the STL file, it's not going to fit. See? The right won't fit, and the left won't fit on the right. So it's not a universal fit. Unless you found one that's designed as a universal fit, then you're fine, you're golden. And these, I believe the Kendono ones are a universal fit. How they did that, I don't know. But anyway, I'll leave a link to these in the description. So without any further ado, let's get started. See, here it is right here. Great designer, but unfortunately, when you download all STL files, we'll just click download STL. There's just one, like and I actually made the mistake and printed two of the same one, thinking like, oh, it'll just fit, it'll be universal. No, it doesn't work that way. So what we'll do is we'll download the STL, okay, and then once it downloads, you gotta do a little puzzle magic. Oh, there it is. Hold on. You gotta put the piece into the puzzle. It'd be nice if we just slide the slider. That's a human verification, right? Human just slid the bar across. See, there it is, the STL. It's not zipped. Not that that means anything. Sometimes it's nice when your stuff gets zipped. See, Avada 2 prop card. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to activate the cursor so that you guys can see and follow along. There we go. Go here, close that, and we're just gonna enable that, and then we'll just close this. See, and then just follow this green thingy. It's a really simple fix, so simple that we'll probably make a YouTube short for it. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up Cura. This works in all versions of Cura. In case you're wondering what version of Cura, we just go to About, and as you can see, it's 5.9.0. Okay, knowing that and moving forward. We're just going to open up the STL. You can drag it in, you can go to File and Open. I just like to just go to File and just drag it in because it'll self-correct its positioning and everything in there when it comes to the layout. But as you can see, there we go. All right, so we're going to look at the image right here. See? Voila. And then now what you would do is you're going to select it once, right? And then you're going to go over here right? On the left hand side, you have a scale. You have here, rotate, and then you have here, mirror. See that? Now when you have mirror, you select it, make sure it's selected, right? Then these little things pop up. And then now when I do this, when I press it, voila, now it's mirrored. Now you have a right side prop. And as you can see, you can tell because remember the bottom was a little bit bulky and bigger and the front side is actually smaller and thinner. So it goes in, as you can see. And then if we flipped it around, if we printed two of these, you're like, oh, I'll just turn it up. It's not going to work. And in order to get that, there we are. And that's pretty much it. Kind of neat, huh? Now you get two sides of your better half without the frustration of like, hey, what do I do? And apparently, I don't know why they don't put that up there, but this is it. And if you want to wait, if you want to print these for yourself, if you like this model right here, there'll be a video at the end of this video. So just click on the link and it'll show you how to make this so it's hollow inside, which makes it a little bit nicer, less heavier. And be careful because as you saw, these broke somewhere over here. You could tear that piece off, but as you can see, you're going to have to print another one. And if you can find a way in your settings to make it stronger, then kudos to you because then you don't have to worry. But you could probably use a soldering iron tip to just melt the pieces together from some scrap. But just be careful because, you know, if you're going to do that, use your old soldering iron because these are not made for melting plastic or something warm, whatever works right for you. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Kind of neat, huh? If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.